glorious of Kartik month. Kartik month or Damodar month, the holiest month. So Kartik month is the best, the purest of purifiers and the most glorious of all months. Kartik month is particularly dear to Lord Shri Krishna. This month is full of Bhakta Vatsalya. Any vrata, even the smallest, will yield huge result. The effect of performing a Kartik vrata lasts for 100 lifetimes. Kartika month or the festival of offering lamps to Lord Krishna glorifies Lord Krishna's pastimes of being bound with ropes by Mother Yashoda. In the Padma Purana, Kartik Mahatmya, there is the very famous story of a mouse. In a temple of Lord Vishnu, there was a mouse who used to eat the ghee from the extinguished ghee lamps which had been offered by devotees to him. One day, when she felt hungry to eat ghee, she tried to eat the ghee from a lamp which was not yet extinguished. While eating ghee from the lamp, the cotton wick got stuck in her teeth. Since the ghee wick had a flame, the mouse started jumping in front of the Lord's deity form and thus died due to fire. But Lord Sri Vishnu accepted the jumping of that mouse with a lit ghee wick in her mouth as his harati. So in the end, he gave her liberation, the highest destination. Similarly, if somebody performs even a little worship of Lord Sri Hari, in this month he offers that devotee his own abode. If somebody burns a lamp in the temple of Lord Sri Hari, even for a short time in the month of Kartik, then whatever sins he has acquired for millions of kalpas, kalpas means one kalpa is equal to 1000 yugas, are all destroyed. A person who for the entire month of Kartik eats only once a day becomes very famous, powerful and heroic. A person who happily reads the Bhagavad Gita in the month of Kartik does not return to the world of birth and death. Of all gifts, the gift of lamp during the month of Kartik is the best. No gift is its equal. The purest results obtained by bathing in all holy places and giving all charities is not equal to 1/10,000,000th part of the results obtained by following the vows of Kartik. There are 9 things one must do in Kartik month. Daily offer a ghee lamp to Krishna and sing the Damodarastakam, meditating on meaning. One should always remember Supreme Lord Hari. Devotees should try to do more Harinam chanting. Do extra rounds and more Kirtanam. Hear Srimad Bhagavatam daily in association of exalted Vaishnavas if possible. All other duties should be given up in favor of hearing the scriptures from sadhus during this month. It is most beneficial to recite and read Gajendra Moksha Leela Stava from 8th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, which teaches complete surrender of Supreme Lord. And 4th one is eat only prasadam. And 5th, daily recites Shikshastika of Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and meditate on its meaning. Read the commentary on Shikshastika by Bhakti Vinoda Thakur. And 6th, daily read the Upadeshamrita of Srila Rupa Goswami. 7th one is daily offer lamps to Tulasi Devi and pray for eternal residence in Vrindavana and eternal service of the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna. Do 4 parikrama of Tulasi. And 8th one is make nice offerings for Krishna